doctor.
Yes, come in.
Good morning, doctor.
Good morning. Please sit down.
How are you, Miss Anaya? What's the problem?
Well, let me have a look. Open your mouth, please.
Let me have a check.
Does it hurt when I touch it?
Oh yes, it is very painful.
There are cavities in your teeth. After treatment, I will fill it.
Okay.
And remember, clean your teeth twice a day.
I will help you.
Please take medicine. And Miss Anaya, follow this chart and take medicine.
I will help you.
Goodbye, Miss Anaya.
Goodbye.
Got it?